Welcome to an update for the PowerBasic for Beginners YouTube channel. Firstly, a warm welcome to the many new subscribers that have recently joined the channel. This short update hopefully will provide you with an idea of what content you are likely to see on this channel. The channel was primarily created to provide guidance for those learning the PowerBasic programming language, and there are many videos on this topic explaining the commands and features of that development environment. However, we have also expanded the channel to cover audio podcasts with burnt-in two-speaker subtitles on many topics, either computing or programming related. We also have a large number of introduction videos covering basic computing topics or views on artificial intelligence and its impact on our world. Many of these can be viewed without any knowledge of programming. To assist our viewers in finding these videos, we have also provided a separate YouTube video index on our own website. This makes it easier to see what has been uploaded to YouTube recently or to find related videos using keywords. Additionally, where specific software has been covered, there are links to view or download the source code. Not forgetting our other hardware channel, Custom PC Hardware, which also features on the GSF Software website, covering all the computers we use and how they were built or upgraded. Hopefully, you'll find these YouTube videos of interest. Feel free to ask questions or comment on any video that is of interest to you. Thank you for watching.